Can you tell we like to use metaphors? But wait a minute, you might ask. What is a metaphor? A metaphor is a comparison between two things. One thing, something you're already familiar with, like an ocean wave. The other thing is something you may not be familiar with, like an electrical wave. Metaphors allow you to connect what you already know to the new concept you may be learning. This helps you learn faster. Obviously, an electrical wave is not the same as an ocean wave. We also know a neuron's not the same as a space alien, and a dendritic spine's not a toe. They just share some similarities that make it easier for you to understand certain ideas. In these videos, I'll just use the word metaphor. It'll make things simpler for us. Technically, though, I'm sometimes using an analogy or simile. Coming up with a creative metaphor is one of the best ways to learn a new concept or share an important idea.
When you think of a metaphor for a concept, a pre-existing brain link becomes activated. This older brain link allows you to more easily think about the new concept, using ideas you already understand.
Ultimately, this means that just by thinking of a good metaphor, you've already started understanding aspects of a new concept. Metaphors help you get key ideas faster. This is related to something called neural reuse theory. A metaphor allows you to reuse an idea you've already learned to help you learn a new idea.
At some level, metaphors stop working. For example, our metaphor of a space alien sending a shock to the next space alien doesn't explain synapses very well if you look closely. That's okay though, because whenever a metaphor stops working, you can just throw it away and get a new one.
Also, sometimes it's nice to have several different metaphors to help you understand a single idea. We used 3 different metaphors to help us understand how neurons connect together. We said it could be like brain links, or like space aliens shocking one another, or like a mouse path in a forest. Pretty cool.
In our videos, you'll meet many metaphors. Robots, brain links, mice, and octopuses. The metaphors give you an easier way to understand key scientific ideas. Don't worry if a metaphor might seem strange. Sometimes, wackier metaphors can help you more easily open your mind to the new idea you're trying to learn. Wacky metaphors can help you remember better too. And now at last, to finish the story of Santiago Ramon y Cajal and how he changed.
I'm Barb Oakley.
I'm Greg Hammonds.
And I'm Terry Sinofsky.
We and Arizona State University wish you happy learning.